the 7th and 8th consolation winners. Okay, duha lang, Sir Nelson. O, duha. Sa ato ang ikapito o ikawalo nga mananao kulang usa. Okay. Our 7th and 8th consolation winners. Electronics repairman from Brose Street, Via Juan Vicente Corativo. Okay. There you are. Si Mr. Juan Corativo. And our 8th consolation winner, we have ang iyang occupation is GO, which stands for Job Order. Walay lain. From Fatima Village, Block 2, Lot 11, Phase 1, Danilo Malanday. No, Danilo and Juan Vicente. Oh, so now pa dyan kay glasswares. Thank you so much. Ang ilang nanawa, glasswares with birth certificate.
Buenas, Danilo.
Buenas kay sinong Danilo. Next, we will proceed to our final 2 winners. Pasa ang ato ang balota. Asa man atong balota? Pasa ang balota. For the 9th and the 10th consolation winners. This is the final 2. Music, please. Pasa for the final winners. Tanaw na to, kinsa kaha. Ang lucky 2 last 2 winners for the consolation prizes. Oh, naramadam, alihog ko kunin sa toang box. Kinsa pa ha ang mga duha? Pasa, pasa, ipasa. Oh, ikaw, sir, ikaw. You have to get the box. Alit diri, sir. Pusang duha kamananaog sa tuang 10 consolation winners. Alin diri, sir. Walay tikas, limpyo. Ukba ang balota, sir. Kuhaa ang duha ka buok. Okay, sir. I'll be the one to open. Thank you, sir, Madel. Our last 2 winners. Okay. Ang young occupation, mangingisda. Sa English, maning fisherman. We have Mr. Roberto Cañete. Gigay. Gigay, am I right? Sakto? Okay. Sakto ko pag-pronounce sa family name, Gigay. Si Sir Roberto, ang mangingisda o premyo. And the last lucky winner, we have a government employee all the way from Bato, Toledo City, Maria Loma Fernandez. Ikaw ang ato ang last lucky winner. Dawata madam ang ato ang papremyo. Glasswares with police blotter report. Okay. Dawata na madam, imuha na. Next, Madam Remedios. We are now in the next part of the program. So thank you so much. Ayaw mong kabalaka because we are still giving away our first and second and of course our unsa kay hatag na to, madam? Usa ka sakong bugas. Naayo sa kasakong bugas. Ang sako lang sa kuno ang ihatag ang bugas unya. Charot. Okay. So Ma'am Remedios, we're now in the next part of the program.